Hey, what's up everyone? This is Kevin from hapayu, and today we're going to be unboxing the Bionaire Twin Reversible Airflow Window Fan. We purchased this from Amazon.com and it was delivered by UPS. So we actually already took this out of the original Amazon box, which was pretty much just about the same size as this box, and we wanted to save this for you guys. Let's take a look and see what we have inside. Show you the packaging. Okay, you have your instruction manual. Just pull this right out. These are for the sides of the fan and to close up any gap between the edges of the window and the fan. You have your remote control. Does not include any batteries. This does require, I believe, AA or AAA batteries. This requires 2 AAA batteries. And the window fan itself. You have your controls right up here. Give you a close-up. Alright, so this part faces in towards you, and this is the back that faces outside. And I believe this just extend out, so you have the expansion to close up any gaps, and these just slide right on here. Alright, so that's the Bionaire Twin Reversible Airflow Window Fan that we purchased from Amazon.com. Thanks for watching everyone. If you found this video helpful, please be sure to like our video and subscribe to our channel for more unboxing videos of our various purchases. Thanks for watching everyone. Take care.